Voicebox Project was a way to learn advocacy skills and training, a way to get my voice heard and advocate for people and create awareness and reduce stigma for mental health and disabilities.
The Voicebox Project to me was an opportunity to meet other people, to learn more about mental health, other people's mental health issues, past or present, and it was also a good opportunity to learn about the technology that is available, much of which I wasn't aware of, to be able to express my story and my thoughts about mental health and how mental health issues can be helped overcome.
It's about sharing the stories to show people that we're all the same, and that was my process.
Basically, I was very keen to remove a lot of the stigmas associated with autism and Asperger's.
I think the point is that people are more likely to listen to you if you've lived and been where they have been.
So in the first week we did a session about what advocacy was. We talked about storytelling and the different ways in which you could tell a story. And then we did some brainstorming exercises so that we could develop an idea about the message that we wanted to get across.
The training was amazing, and the spirit and the community of people, or like-minded people, it created a real synergy.
When I saw that there was the opportunity to express my artistic side of myself and incorporate it in the mental health world, my heart just lit up.
And it was fascinating to see how simple, even free apps combined with a smartphone could enable the easy production of animations.
At a personal level, I think made me feel very comfortable, especially with myself having a mental illness. It's not something that you can go to any project out there and just say, I want to advocate for peer support workers, for example. So for me, this was an appropriate venue where I was able to come, being accepted, felt safe. There was no right or wrong.
I thought it was a really positive environment. Everybody had their own individual stories to tell, and it was interesting seeing how that we can relate to each other's story.
I have suffered during this project grief and loss, and it encouraged me to do another project, animation, about grief and loss, and that helped me heaps, amazingly. It helped me get over that traumatic week.
I wanted to empower myself and others to be able to advocate and tell their story.
There's a great deal of stigma about mental health, and if we could take some serious steps towards addressing those issues, I think we would have a much better society and community across the board.
At the end of it now, looking back, it was just fantastic, and I wish that I'd have known how good it was going to turn out, because I would have been able to bring another couple of people along.
Fantastic. Highly recommend it to anybody. It's just been brilliant. I've made some new friends.
I would love to see a Voicebox number 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and as many as we need.
It's been a healing process, it's been a learning process, it's been an empowering process, and I've loved every minute of it.